So today we're testing a 2023 Kawasaki 450. It's a little soft, it's built for a girl.
Patrick Evans goes to the top. Yeah, he overtakes Parsons here.
Patrick Evans.
Big whip looks all the way back.
Easily the most improved rider this year and maybe the best.
Just got to Maddos. Need to change the shock again. Changed forks yesterday, but I kind of need help with the shock, so I figured I'd wait till I got here. Really hope I get the second bike built up soon so I don't have to keep doing this.
He copy Axel right now.
They said you copy Axel right now.
Man, fuck him. Fuck Axel and fuck. You gotta move out. No shit. Well, we got the road racer, the motocrosser, and the drifter now, so we're good. If we can get all aspects, Robbie can get some cool free shit later on from his kids.
So get your dumb ass back to sleep. Masochistic, catch your clip quick when this shit hit. You bet your ass I'ma throw a fit. It's going down like a dike when I show up. Might wanna take a hike before your broke ass throw up. Ah shit, I think I struck a chord. The overlord, swinging a megazord sword. The undisputed suited super mega mutant, too stupid booty shooting, feeling dark wizard of gold. Talking a whole lot of shit, and I ain't like that. By my bread, enough said, I got it mad. Now they buzzing all of a sudden. I kill them by the dozen, get them with a bad bitch, run it back. And you'll never be shit, remember that. With one shot I push your brain out the back. They wanna ride with me, better be ready to die with me. To hell and back, never care, bitch, run it back. Run it back, bitch. That's not it.
Alright, just finished swapping suspension for the second time today. Rode Maddos this morning, so I was hitting the ramp, but tomorrow I'm gonna hit Glen Helen, so I put the stock stuff back on. It was worth it. Starting to get pretty good at changing suspension. Another 6 a.m. morning, Glen Helen. Might do a quick warm up on this spin bike, try to get my knees moving before the day gets going. I've been pretty good about like cooking at home and eating really healthy, but sometimes there's just nothing you can do. You just gotta hit the McDonald's drive-thru. Hi, can I get a number 3, please?
Many things are dangerous now. In this garden we go home. Careful as you make your way. Some things are poison to the touch. Spend your life in this place now. Not to run away so much.
Vicki asked me to go check out her suspension and see how it's feeling. So Patrick Evans testing is in business. Alright. So today we're testing a 2023 Kawasaki 450. It's a little soft, it's built for a girl.
A real vagina ride. A real ice queen.
This is a real pussy setup.
You should see the rider. Yesterday at Jeremy's, she was just like, when are you and Vicki gonna have a baby? I'm like, I don't fucking know why. And then Jeremy's like, that fucking kid would have abs and balls. Balls because of Vicki, not you, sir. I was like, you're right. You're absolutely right.
Yeah, I don't need much more. It feels, forks feel good.
Yeah.
Shock already feels a little bit saggy naggy.
Saggy?
A little
Shock
bit.
Is stiffer than the fork.
Really?
Yeah.
Fork is definitely stiff. Oh wow, shock is big. Yeah, I can't tell if it's fast. Definitely a little stiff. Shock is epic. So good. You can sit through that shit still and it's like just, like the rebound is perfect on the shock. Yeah. They're a little stiff. It feels good, like charging into shit, we want it to be stiff, it feels good. But like, maybe if you slow the rebound down, like when you're not hauling ass, it will feel a little better. It's definitely a little bit like,
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. But I was getting a little bit of...
maybe try like 2 clicks slower.
Yeah.
See if that feels better, and then if not, maybe just go softer. That fork just feels better the faster you go.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Like that's how Durham stuff always was. Like it felt like shit unless you were hauling ass.
Yeah. Because in some of the tight stuff, I'm like, so-so.
Yeah, like if you're not hauling ass down the hill. What's up, dude?
You're fucking repping out there, dude.
Thanks, man. Thanks. I was on the girls' bike just now, so I was a little slower.
That'll slow you down.